Well, the chanterelle mushrooms are popping in the woods. It's July 20th. Last night, me and old Leon found a few of them. Sauteed them up and put them in some fajitas. It's pretty damn good. So I thought to myself, I said, Self, I ought to go pick some more and maybe do a little video on them. But before I get out there and get into all that, I'd like you to go to my channel and subscribe, like me, share me around a little bit. Hopefully you have some fun watching my videos and maybe learn something and have some fun too. Well, I'm out here at Leon's and I don't see him. Let's go see if we can't stir him up. There he is.
Hey, what's going on, bud? Thought I heard somebody pull in.
What do we got out here in these woods?
Oh, we got a pretty good year for chanterelles, I think they're called. I don't know. I don't know a lot about them, but we're gonna go pick some.
Yeah, it's just what I was saying, that I've never ate a whole lot of them. I told them we got into them a little bit last night, and I thought they was damn good.
Yeah, they were pretty good. Mix them with a little onion or something. They're pretty good. So
yeah.
We'll see what happens.
Well, let's go pick some of them, and I'm gonna go try a little something different with them.
Right.
Hey, Corbin, how are you?
Good.
Say hi.
Hi.
The best mushroom carrying sack's always been the old Dollar General bag. I filled a many of them. They seem to do the trick. They got the same bag.
I got Walmart bag. They do. I did a little mowing down here, so hopefully we can just walk right to them. They're everywhere this year. I can't believe it. Watch out, you might get in a sprinkler now.
Got him a garden going there. He grows some pretty damn. Oh, damn! I just busted my ass right in the mud. Oh. It ain't that damn funny, Leon.
You only do it on camera.
Do you see how fast I popped up?
Oh my God, you're really funny on camera.
All right.
There's some big ones there. Them are big boys. But there's a bunch over here, and I don't know.
I was kind of doing a little reading on them, and it said there's a couple different colors of them, like a white one and.
Well, these white ones here. That might be what them are.
Well, I ain't
No,
sure.
the red ones. I don't think the red ones are any good.
I wouldn't eat
I don't.
What kind of mushrooms you getting us into, Leon?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm gonna pick a bunch of these. So I know what these are.
Yeah,
These pretty orange ones.
Corbin, get those big ones over there, buddy.
Where?
Over there. Okay. I'll show you how to pick them, okay? Come here.
These feel a lot better than them bigger ones. What I was reading is they got a lot of moisture in them, so you kind of got to do like we did. You know how we sauteed them. They
kind of shrunk up.
Well, the moisture come out of them, and then they started getting that real good color. And man, I thought they were good.
Look at that.
They got a lot of good. Yeah, that's a nice looking one.
There.
Okay.
Well, you got your sack full already.
He's a little faster at picking them than we are.
He's a little lower to the ground.
Yeah.
Hell, that's plenty.
Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. Hell, he's got a bag full. I got a bag full.
I think I got what I need, so probably go down through here, look around a little bit, and then head on to Jason's and start getting ready to cook. When I got off work, I started doing prep at the house. It's all in the cooler. All we got to do is get that grill hot and throw it together. You like Thai food, Leon?
Yeah, I do like Thai food.
Well, I thawed out some shrimp, and I got some nice vegetables and some rice noodles, and we'll get that flat top grill of Jason's going and kind of throw it all together. It ought to be pretty damn good. Well, I'm here. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and get things ready, get set up, get prepped up, and wait for Jason to get here, and then we're gonna start cooking. Maybe that'll. Woo. I hear Jason coming now.
He coming up the back way. Well, what the hell's going on?
Oh, work.
I don't think he liked working.
quit school because I had recess.
Jim, what do you think? You ever ate any of those chanterelles?
You know, I never heard of them until the other day. Somebody said they're good.
Yeah.
I mean, does Neale know how to make them?
Oh, I don't know. I'd say he does.
I'm gonna do a quick rundown of all the ingredients, and then we're gonna go ahead and get to cooking. I got some rice noodles. I already cooked these off, cooled them, just haul them out here to make things easier. Some little bit of garlic, ginger, green onion, some red and yellow peppers. And these are our chanterelles that Leon and Corbin and I picked. I'm gonna use a pile of those. Y'all look awful pretty. Got some cashews chopped up, lime, edamame. How do you ever say it? Edamame? How do you say that?
Right to me.
Carrots, more green onion. This stuff is awful spicy, but it's awful tasty too. It's chili garlic sauce, soy sauce, olive oil, and you can't forget campfire. Awful lot of good flavors in there. Woo. Oil on the shrimp, about like that. I'm gonna hit it with some campfire. Like that. You got them thingies, Jason?
They're right underneath there, bud.
Nice and clean.
Oh yeah, hell, put them on the grill, it'll be fine.
Huh.
Just cooked with them last week. That'll be all right.
A little oil on them.
It's been hot.
On there. Start off my mushrooms first. These chanterelles, what I found out last night when we ate some, they got a lot of moisture in them. I want the moisture to cook out so they get good color.
And it's clean now, isn't it?
Yeah, I start with a pretty hot grill. That way you get a good sear on it. It doesn't take long. You don't have to overcook your vegetables to get that color on them. There you go, man. Don't have too much of that campfire. Just to season it up a little.
How's that look, Corbin? Look good?
Yeah.
How long them take to cook? They're cooked.
These are already roasted.
Well,
I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on there and roast them some more. It's alright, isn't it? What's the battery life on that thing look like? Already? Oh. Just kind of mix it all together once you get the color on it, your vegetables. I don't like my vegetables overcooked. I don't like them too raw either, but it's kind of a fine line there, not too much. Maybe a little.
Just right. Maybe just right.
Alright. Once you know, you know, you know. You know what I mean?
I did not.
I'll go ahead and throw some ginger,
What are you doing?
garlic in there. I didn't put a whole lot of garlic because my sauce, the chili sauce, has some garlic in it. Kind of just do soy sauce to taste. If you like a lot of it, go ahead and put a lot on it. I like a lot.
A spicy
You want to be careful with this stuff. It's hot. Dustin, stick your finger in there.
Oh, shit. Oh, I thought it burnt me.
It's warm.
Yeah. Ain't bad though.
Here's the spicy stuff. The spicy
I ain't gonna do too much. If we want to add some more later, we can. But it's hard to take it back out of there.
Getting hotter.
You going after a drink?
Well, I can't find one.
My shrimp and everything's cooked. I'm gonna hit it with a little lime juice. These are rice noodles. Let's go in. Put it all in there. Toss it up. Once the noodles are hot, it's done. Plate it up and eat it.
Is it spicy?
Pretty spicy. Pretty much it. Finish it off with a little of that.
Is that spicy or not?
Soy sauce.
Some of it came sticking up on the back.
Topped it off with a little green onion. What it look like. It's unbelievable. If you like this recipe, if you like what I'm doing at all, go ahead and go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like me, share me around a little bit. But until next time, I'm Chef Aaron Neale. Good luck and good cooking. Ta-ta!
What you got on your head and neck?
Just something.
That thing on his neck is
When
his
you work
head.
hard.
It is his head. Never mind.
Hey, ass white. I bring you a beer and then he says something like that.
Even a hamburger. Oh shit, thanks man.
Yeah. What do you think, Corbin?
You ate the mushrooms, right?
No, we're not the mushrooms. Man, they're good, Neil.
Yeah, don't eat them.
Damn good. I told you, I said, come on up. I said, Neil and them boys are cooking. You can't go wrong.
No,
Is it good?
damn good.
When he farted, you never heard it. He could fart just as quiet as could be, you know. But it was so rancid thing. And we'd be in an airport, in a fucking line of air, like double line. You know how you're in this line of people, and another line here. And oh joy, you just see me just small, and you knew he was letting. And all of a sudden he'd turn around and he'd look at other people. He'd go. He was the one that did it, but he made everybody else, and he just looked at them like that, and they'd all be going.
I was in Aldi's one time with my mother, and she cut one and was right by the meat cooler, and somebody behind her started going, "Oh, what is that?" And Mom grabbed a package of bologna out of there, and she's like, "It's fucking meat's bad." Back in there.
If you're gonna fart, all these places.
She said, "This meat's bad." What made it funny was that old lady, she picked up that package of meat and smelled it.
If it wasn't bad, it is now.
Oh, that's terrible.
Oh, shit.
That's terrible.